Now, we already know what are experiments, sample points, and sample space. Now, let's move on to the counting rules. Before we can assign probabilities, we need to deal first with the different counting rules. So there are three counting rules, which is the multiple step, the combination, and the permutation. So first is the multiple step. So multiple step, or if an experiment consists of a sequence of k steps in which there are n1 possible results for the step, n2 possible results for the second step, and so on, then the total number of experimental outcomes is given by multiplying those n's. A helpful graphical representation of a multiple step is a tree diagram. So, ari taha, remember, ari, ang gipasabot, if an experiment consists of a sequence of steps, so for example, kaning sa KPL na instruction, di ba, your step 1 is of course your design stage, yung step stage 1. Your step 2 is of course your construction stage. Now, there are the end results here are your sample points or pila ka book imong sample points. Mao na siya ang imong N. So in this case, in stage design, there are 3 sample points. In construction stage, there are 3 as well. So kung mo-follow to sa multiple step, is just simply, anita sa ubos. Diba? Multiplying the outcomes or experimental outcomes of each stage. So as mentioned, sa design stage na ay 3, sa construction stage na ay another 3. So, as you can see here, 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So, meaning, there are a total of 9 possible experimental outcomes na mahitabo. So, if we use a tree diagram for that, so, as you can see here, ato sa siyang i-zoom ay para maklaro. So, kani is makita po din ninyo diri sa Excel. Atong i-color kay para makitaan. So, your first step is na ay tulo ka outputs, di ba? Or tulo ka experiment sample points. You have 2, 3, and 4. So, of course, you will start with those numbers. Now, mo na imuhang step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, on step 2 is na say 3 possible outcomes, either 6, 7, or 8. So, pwede sa step 1, it take siya 2 months. Sa step 2, mo take siya 6, sa step 2 is, mo take siya og 6 months. So, meaning your experimental outcome or your sample point is then 2, 6, which imong i-translate is ang iyahang total completion time is of course 8 months. Okay, again, 8 months, 2 months from stage 1, and 6 months spent on stage 2 or step 2. So, mo nang 8 months, and so on and so forth. So, if imuha ng ipuntanan, di ba, you have a total of 9 possible outcomes. So, you have 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 4, 6, 4, 7, and 4, 8, which ari is makita po na diri sa ato ang table, no? So, maori ni siya. This process, kanini mo murag pag-branch out, na yung mga branches, mo na siya ang gitawag na tree diagram. So, kana, makita ni mo, even though they have, for instance, they have completion time of both 9 months, kaning sa second o sa fourth, diba? Ang breakdown sa iyahang 9 months is different. Kaya they have different sample points man. Diba? 2.7 man ang isa, then ang isa is 3.6. So, ana siya. Meaning, they are considered different. Kaya lahi man yun ang iyahang mga values or iyahang mga sample points. So, this multiple step is iyahang giihap or kaning counting rules with the name itself counting is iyahang giihap pila ang mga possible outcomes or pila kabuk experimental outcomes or pila kabuk sample points ang makuha nimo sa isa ka experiment or isa ka process. So, kani is process naman siya, step 1 and step 2. So, this process itself is naa siya total of 9 ka sample points or 9 ka experimental outcomes. So, ana na siya. Okay, so meaning again, this process has 9 nga sample points. So, muna siya imuhang tibailhan. Diriha is nag-ihap pa ta, wala pa ta nag-assign og probabilities. We are still counting.